In this video, I will show you how to use Onepay at Walmart. So all you have to do is simply set up your Onepay wallet. So as you can see, Onepay is the new digital wallet that offer cashback at Walmart. So with Onepay, you can get cashback deals on top of Walmart's everyday low prices. So basically, whenever you use this card, you'll get some cash back. So as you can see, earn 1 point for every $10 spent at Walmart, and then you can redeem your points as cashback. So you'll have to go to their official website, create an account, and then link any credit or debit card to Onepay wallet. And after that, you'll have to simply go and at the checkout, make sure to open the wallet app and simply select scan to pay and pay using this wallet, and you'll get your cashback. So basically that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys.